Trigger powerful emotions with these 3 questions. Hi, I get a lot of people asking me how to capture a man's romantic attention. It's so hard when you're into a man but his casual indifference and lack of romantic attention leaves you feeling unloved, unsure, and you wonder if he's just waiting for the right time to dump you. How do you know he loves you? How do you know he wants to be with you? I was talking to a friend recently about this problem and she told me that women should be asking their men 3 harmless questions. Click below to find out what they are. This short video will give you the real reasons men pull away, and the harmless questions you can ask any man that will wake up overwhelming feelings of love and devotion for you. No matter if you have just met him, have been together for a while and want him to reconnect romantically, or even if you're on the brink of getting dumped. This is a shortcut tactic to push all other thoughts and distractions from his mind and force him to focus all his attention and desire in one direction. Check it out while you have the time right now. Click the link below. I wish you best of luck.